So how we go about recruiting our mystery shoppers is we use two of the main recruitment sites, one in Northern Ireland and one in Southern Ireland. So we're continuously recruiting because we need to get new faces, new voices for phone calls and new opinions, so each survey is different. We also continuously recruiting because we need to rotate our mystery shoppers. We can't send the same people in to the same places month in, month out. And we also recruit continuously for especially the remote areas. But we continually recruit because each of our clients would have certain criteria, blockouts, demographics for age, different things for different scenarios. So we have to constantly recruit because if there are blockout periods for say 3 months to a year, we're always recruiting, so we can always send a new person in that month to do the shop. The recruitment process works. We have three main places. We do online via recruitment agencies, and one in the north and one in the south. We also have our own web, Customer Perceptions. People can apply online, and we also recruit via Instagram and social media, which has proved hugely successful. Right, so as soon as the CV comes in, there's a team of us inside. We review the CV, literally just checking that everybody's okay, good level of written English. And so then what happens next is you will receive from the assessor team a login email, which says you have been successful, goes through a little bit, and it also includes a very short training manual. Now, next steps are once you sign up, we get notifications, so you wouldn't be going in blind. You would get a follow-up call from somebody in the office explaining literally what we mean by terminology, scenarios, briefs, guidelines, templates. These will all be new words to new mystery shoppers, but very familiar to us. So we will explain everything to you, hold your hand through your first one, get you up and running through the system, and then it's easy after that. The way training works is initially we will send out the very basic one, which, as I did say, we're so used to our terminologies about the software we use, our templates, scenarios, guidelines, but it's all new to a mystery shopper. So once you get your first shop up and running and we've gone through it all with you, we do have more complex stuff, and then that would be a more detailed phone call from myself or from somebody on the team if the scenario is quite complex. So there are different ways we can train. We have the online training, and we have our email, and we have the phone.